Okay, so I'll be here when we start. Okay, all right, thank you so much. All right, I'll see you later. Yeah. Sounds good. Registration card here and just okay, and what is really hard, really hard. So, but now I gotta deal with the family. And then they're gonna have that dad.
That's good. I didn't know that. So you guys don't ever bring out a lot too? Well, I know mine. They're freaking knowledgeable.
No, we're not. We just started.
First year. We still play with the same team or just different guys?
嗱，呢個西咧喺正個龍脈村嗰度，個龍脈咧就係407啦，同埋個碑窯兩條龍脈，一條南北龍脈，一東西龍脈，啱喺個交接口，食住個龍氣變咗食住兩條水氣啦，同埋佢對面咧就有個大商場粒羅嗰度啦，咁樣嗰度本身一個大明堂嚟嘅，咁啊後邊咧就有條溪就係 Don Valley 嘅一分支，又有花園、亭台樓閣。所以咧，佢得天獨厚，地利攞晒嘅，有兩條龍夾住，有明堂，有水氣，所以咧一個叫做丁財兩旺嘅好旺嘅地方，將來唔錯嘅呢度。
點解命名叫Tao咧？其實
Tao咧，因為佢後邊我幫佢設計風水嗰陣時咧，就用咗個所謂個庭藝嘅形式，就變咗好寧靜。好 relax， 由於佢咁寧靜咧，好有心靈嘅修養，就不如就叫佢道啦，道即係計翻大自然解，大自然之道。再加埋形狀，佢個形狀都幾似個太極圖嗰條水，啱啱曲曲。
我見後邊有好多 green 喎，好多樹林嗰度係。
所以佢就變咗嗰個大自然嘅氣又多啦，就造成一種好自然嘅氣場。啲人喺度坐下靜養啊，摸一壇。
Oh, it's hard.
Was it?
我嘅隔離有嘢。
Come over. Yeah.
我笑慘唔鬼差，唔使我動，我就係講嘢嘅啫，我就係講嘢。
Mia, look who's here! Mia! Mia, I need to have that! Look! It's the prince!
That's perfect. Yeah. All right, guys, right here. Perfect.
You don't need a backhoe. Now we're going to all stand over. We got our permit and construction starting in about a week. So
It's going to be a compliment to our community and certainly provide homes for 170 families, and they'll be well housed here in a facility. So we congratulate you. We look forward to the opening. I would say, just for those that don't know all of us, I'll introduce members of the council. You notice who's holding all the shovels and who heads up.
yeah, all the workers.
One of the absolutely best parts in Richmond Hill, in my opinion, is at the junction of two energy dragons. That's Bayview and 407. At the den where all the money will concentrate, you got it. You got a beautiful forest. You got a beautiful ravine at the back. So this is a place to be, no matter what age group you're in. You do well, health-wise and money-wise. Congratulations.
Wow, fantastic. Action photo.
No, you're all invited back to our sales office for some drinks and some
I'll put our foot on the show.
food.
There you go.
Come on, Carmen, get through this pavement.
Here we go.
Wait!
Okay, send it to Nick. Everybody wave to Nick. Send it.